3 Steps to Passive Income, the Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Welcome back, fellow entrepreneurs. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to passive income? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing. I'm your host, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to unveil the 3 powerful steps to building your affiliate marketing empire. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding profitable niches. The first step on our affiliate marketing blueprint is to identify profitable niches. Research is key here. Look for niches that have a high demand and low competition. Think about your passions and interests and explore affiliate programs that align with those niches. This way, you'll be more motivated and knowledgeable about the products or services you promote. Remember, choosing the right niche sets the foundation for your success. Step 2. Building your audience. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your audience. Without a dedicated following, your affiliate marketing efforts won't reach their full potential. Start by creating a content strategy that caters to your target audience's needs and interests. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, provide valuable information and build trust with your audience. Engage with them, answer their questions, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. As your audience grows, so does your potential for passive income. Step 3. Monetizing your audience. You've found your profitable niche, and you've built a loyal audience. Now, it's time to monetize that audience. This is where affiliate marketing truly shines. Seek out reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your niche. Join those programs and start promoting their offerings to your audience. Be transparent and genuine in your recommendations, highlighting the benefits and value they can expect. As your audience makes purchases through your affiliate links, you earn commissions, creating a passive income stream. And there you have it, the 3 essential steps to passive income through affiliate marketing. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business, but the rewards are well worth it. Start by finding profitable niches, build your audience, and monetize that audience with strategic affiliate promotions. Stay consistent, adapt to changes in the market, and never stop learning. Are you ready to take the plunge into the world of passive income? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our future videos. Until next time, keep hustling and turning your dreams